This is a very different type of call. I'm not selling newspapers. I'm not selling anything. I'm interested in leasing space where laundry infrastructure exists. And this is a good candidate for us. Shall I send you an And he hung up. Hello, Adam.
Who's speaking?
Who's speaking?
Yes.
My name is Danny D'Angelo. I'm looking to lease some space from you.
Okay, which space?
There's a coin laundromat over here. That's what I do. I've been in the laundry business for 20-something years. I've got 36 locations. And we're looking to expand on that, and this is how we do it. We scout existing coin laundries, and when we see some underperforming stores, we want to reach out to the landlord or their agent and see if we couldn't throw our hat in the ring and talk terms. This place is, not the worst laundromat I've seen, but it's far from the best. The infrastructure is there, Adam, so that's why we're interested.
Lennon said, I'm an artist. You give me a fucking tuber, I'll get you something out of it.
I don't want to build one from scratch. That's kind of costly. I also don't want to buy it from the operator. A lot of them for sale, but they've already failed when they try to sell them, so that's not my thing. I hope that makes sense.
Well, as you know, there's an existing laundry there, which means they have a current lease.
Yeah, I know there's an existing laundry there. That's why I'm calling you.
What we generally do in this country is one guy brings the items and the other guy pays him. No ticky, no laundry.
I don't know if you tour your facilities, but this place is a throwback. About 60% of the equipment is broken. They're not really serving the community or their customers, but that's neither here nor there. If they pay the rent,
Hello?
Great. Hi. I don't know if you can hear me. You all right? Hello?
Hello?
Hi. I don't know if you got me on the speakerphone on your desk or what the story is, but
I can hear you. I didn't hear any response from you after I told you there was a lease in place.
yeah, I understand. So I am not calling on empty space. Your phone rings all day, empty space. What type of business? Let's sign a lease. I'm calling on this space. And perhaps we do nothing for weeks, months, maybe even years. I would like you to know that I'm interested in said space if and when the time comes. If they don't renew this location and put some new equipment in, then they are going to end up in arrears on rent or flat on their back. I don't know. I'm not asking about your rent rolls. This is a very different type of call. I'm not selling newspapers. I'm not selling anything. I'm interested in leasing space where laundry infrastructure exists. And this is a good candidate for us. Shall I send you And he hung up. What the is wrong with this retard? What the is wrong with this man? Hey, Ruben.
Yes, sir.
What do you think Adam does all day when he's not off into his other hand?
Nothing. Just doing some other thing other than real estate.
Do you understand how small-minded of an idiot this guy is? You realize that the world is full of idiots, right? There's plenty of them.
Yeah. I realize that.
Okay. So he's one of them.
I'm pretty sure this hot water heater's got a few more good years left in it.